Hello students, today's topic is multiplication. Today we will learn the concept behind multiplication. We will explore why do we need to know the multiplication. You can see the picture on the screen. How many boxes are there on the screen? You can simply count. There are 4 boxes in the screen. You can see one more figure, and can you tell how many boxes are there in this figure? Yes, there are 9 boxes. It's very easy to count. Can you tell how many boxes are there in this figure? It will take some time to count the boxes in this figure. There are 2 ways to count it. First is to count the number of boxes in a column and then add that count as many times as there are number of columns. As we have done it in this figure. First we will count the number of boxes in one column. There are 6 boxes in each column. Now we will count the number of columns. The total number of columns is 7. So we will add 6 7 times to get the result. The second method involves counting the number of boxes in one column and in one row and multiplying them to get the quick answer. As you can see, there are 6 boxes in each column and 7 boxes in each row. So we can simply multiply them. If you know the table of 6, you can easily and quickly get the answer. The answer is 42. Let's understand it with one more example. How many circles are you seeing on your screen? Yes, there are 5 circles. Can you count the number of circles now? Yes, it will take some time to count, but we can make it easy by the use of multiplication. There are 2 ways to count the number of circles, as we have seen in the earlier example. First way is by the use of addition and the second one is by multiplication. The first method involves counting the number of circles in one column and then adding them as many times as there are number of columns. So there are 5 circles in one column and in total there are 5 columns. So we will add 5 times to get the answer. A young learner like you definitely will take some time to add 5 times. There is one more quick method to it. This method involves counting the number of circles in one row and counting the number of circles in one column and multiplying them together to get the answer. The answer is 25. To do the multiplication quickly, you must know the tables. So, it is very good to revise the tables every day. It will help you in multiplication.